Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby Supply, and today we're going to do a little happy Halloween train running. I hope you enjoy it. Okay everybody, it looks like we may have a train coming here. Let's see what we get tonight. A little stormy tonight. Are you guys seeing this? What is this? This is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. I wonder if we can catch it somewhere else. Let's run across town. I think it was coming this way. I can't believe it. You guys seeing this? Let's run up the hill and see if we can catch it. Imagine the poor crew on that caboose seeing this coming. Sitting there waiting for the train to pass and then see it's a ghost train. Imagine what's going through their head right now. Let's see if we can catch it at the trestle. But the guys in the roundhouse don't even know it's going by. It's so quiet. It's gotten a lot darker out here. It's coming down by the Potash mine. Pfeiffer unobtainium and potash. It's storming. I don't know how long we're going to be out here before it starts raining. Here it comes. Imagine what they're thinking in the night shift at the mine. Are they believing what they're seeing? I bet these guys in this locomotive here are terrified. It's like you can see through that boxcar and there's like a hologram inside. Well, gang, I better get back home because it's starting to storm here and I don't want to get caught out here in the rain. But I thought you guys would want to see this, and I hope somebody else has this documented. Okay, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the Halloween running.